Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So today we're going to be doing a short experiment, a model. Today we're going to be talking about something dealing with our food. So who can tell me what have you eaten today? Lauren, what did you have?
Broccoli.
Why did you choose broccoli?
Because it's healthy.
Because it's healthy. Okay. Q, what did you have to eat today?
I had spaghetti.
You had spaghetti. Why did you choose spaghetti?
Because it's delicious.
Because it's delicious. All right. Empress?
I had milk.
Milk. Why?
Because it strengthens my bones.
Okay. It strengthens your bones. Okay. Jamarcus?
Salad.
Why did you choose salad?
Because it's also healthy and it makes you stay fit.
Okay. Did anybody eat because they were just hungry today?
Yeah.
Okay, well it's okay because I sometimes eat because I really like that food. That's my favorite food, or I'm hungry. What do you think happens to your food after you eat it? After you've had that salad, that spaghetti, the broccoli, and the bread, what do you think happens to that food? Yes.
It digests.
It digests. And where do you think it goes? Yeah.
It gets broken down in our stomach.
It goes to your stomach. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be talking about the digestive system. And I have one more question. Where do you think we get our energy from? Where do we get our energy from? Jamarcus?
The sun.
The sun. Anywhere else?
Food.
Food. We've been talking about the ecosystem and how important the sun is to the ecosystem, but we all know that our food is where we get our energy from as well, and it helps us. So today you're going to do a model, and you're going to model the process of digesting. You're going to make your own stomachs, okay? So today you're going to need 2 Ziploc bags, crackers. So go ahead and get you 1 Ziploc bag right now. Get cracker. Get 1 cracker. Jamarcus pass out a cracker to everyone. And go ahead and put your cracker inside of your Ziploc bag once you get it. I'll help you. I want you to take one moment with your cracker inside your bag, zip it up, zip it closed. And I want you to start breaking. You can take your gloves off for this part. I want you to start breaking your cracker up with your fingers. What do you think? Now remember, we're doing the digestive system. What do you think what you're doing now resembles? What do you think that resembles? Empress?
It's like chewing now.
Okay, chewing. This part resembles the mouth. The mouth is a very important part of your digestive system because you have your teeth in your mouth. And before you can do anything, you have to break your food, that spaghetti, that broccoli, into smaller pieces. All right, so everyone has broken it into smaller pieces?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I want you to get a tablespoon. You're going to have to share. And you're going to get some water. And I want you to place 2 tablespoons of water in your bag. Open your bags up. You're going to do 2 tablespoons. Help each other. You got to do a full tablespoon. So you might need to bend the cup. There you go. No, this way. There you go. All right, zip it. And once you get your water inside of your bag, I want you to start pressing it together. And tell me what is happening. What are you noticing? You got it? All right, just you can move with your hands in the air. You don't have to leave it on your book. Just go ahead. What are you noticing is starting to happen? Go ahead.
It's getting soggy.
It's getting soggy. It's getting what else?
It's starting to dissolve.
It's starting to dissolve a little. Yes.
It's sort of turning to. It's mushing out.
It's kind of mushy. What do you think? What do you think this represents? What's the liquid we put in? We put in water. What do you think that liquid that we just put in represents? Yes. Saliva. And another, you call it, what do you call it sometimes? Spit. Okay, that's fine. But the proper word is saliva. So digestion begins in our mouth. And the mushy cracker that we have, that pushing right there is where our teeth are pushing it together and things like that. And eventually our tongue pushes it down our esophagus. All right, so what I want you to do is I want you to open your bag, and I'm going to add some orange juice to your... What do you think this orange juice is? What do you think it may represent?
The stomach acid.
Very good, Empress. Why do you say stomach acid?
Because the stomach acid kind of like...
Zip it back closed.
The stomach acid kind of like helps break it down even more.
It does. We have enzymes in our stomach that helps to break down the food that we eat. And it's sometimes it's stomach acid as well that helps to break it down. So go ahead and mush it together again. What are you noticing now?
Like when we first got it, it was like besides the liquid, it was like in soggy feel, like it was all together. Now like the orange juice, like make it more liquid so it can break it down more.
Okay. What do you notice?
I noticed that when we first just had the water in there, it still had some big pieces in there. But now with the orange juice, it's dissolving even quicker.
Okay, it is. It's kind of breaking it down even quicker. Okay, so then this is trying to help you to see how the digestion system works. But I want you to look at them. Can I see your bag, Empress? Look at Empress' bag. What do you notice about her bag a little bit? It still have some wet in it. Still kind of some solids, all right? Yeah. So that's still in that digestive system. Her food is still breaking down. So who can tell me about the digestive system? What we just did, we modeled, this is our stomach, we just modeled it. What do you want to tell us about it? What did you get from this?
That first, when we eat our food, our saliva and our teeth munch it down. Mm-hmm. And then once it goes into our stomach, the acid breaks it down even more. Okay,
very good. And then it goes to that small intestines, then it goes to the large intestines, but we didn't get into that part. But this is basically what happens to our food on a day-to-day basis.